Ladies and gentlemen, we're basically in the car that I had. Oh, carbon cardone. This one's Inscription, 2 years newer. Heated steering wheel. Wow, it's good to be back. Basically my car again, except 2 years newer. Steering wheel's a little less wear and tear than mine had. This one's at 83,000. I purchased mine at like 87,000 miles. Feels good. I love the dynamic mode. This is the Volvo I remember. Oh yeah. That's nice. Sport mode. Oh yeah. This is comfortable. This is basically what I drove every day for a long time until I crashed mine, and I love this thing, man. It's tight, I'll admit, but man, it feels good to be back. And this one's priced at $15,000 or 16. I think 16,000. That's basically what I purchased my car for. I had a 2015, but I also purchased it, a couple years back. So it's like if I purchased this right now. It's nice. I'm gonna listen to the Harman Kardon, and man, I love this thing. I love having the sunroof down, and it's a great fun car. Oh, and that indicator stock, man, that indicator stock is nice. It's heavy, has that nice little click to it. It's something I have a lot of nostalgia from this. Although I didn't have all these buttons. I had like half of them. I didn't have a higher trim level. That sound system's nice. I loved not having to put in the key there. Oh yeah, that is awesome. I frickin' love this car. Honestly, it's a great first car for kids, for someone starting out who can't afford, something a little more expensive. This is perfect. Absolutely a great beast of a car. We're approaching 55 here, so let's close the windows. Oh yeah. It's nice. Accelerates quickly. I think this has 250 horsepower. Somewhere around there. Mine had 250, except mine was the 5-cylinder. I think 2016 or 2015 was the last year, 2015 and a half, because Volvo does half years, that you have the 5 cylinders. The T5 actually means turbo 5-cylinder. Then you had a turbocharged 4-cylinder with the Eco Drive or whatever it was. Hey, this one's not cracked, which is nice, which means they probably garaged it. I figured it out. Basically, pre-owned ones, if there weren't tinted windows, or if you're living in a hot climate, I mean, it's way easy for that to crack. It's such a smooth, comfortable ride. It really is. I love the mirror. I love a lot of things about this car. Whew. Motorbikes are flying past. Indicator stock again. Brakes seem good. This car was just detailed as well, so you have this nice... Man, this car would be such a pleasure to sell. I hope I do sell it. It is something I can easily talk about because I am a raving fan. I love... Oh, that's even better than the Stang. The auto-dimming mirrors are cool too. And now we're gonna pepper it, drive a little more spiritedly. There's a little lag. It's not the fastest thing in the world until 55. Oh, lane assist. Yeah, it's nothing crazy, but gets you where you need to go. It's not gonna throw you back in the seat. It's a nice little car. I love it.